My name is Anthony, and I started losing my hair when I was 16 years old, and I actually lost my hair as a result of a really bad hormone imbalance. And so, as you can imagine, it was a very emotional process. I mean, it is emotional for everybody, but especially when you're young and that age, it's really, really challenging. So I went everywhere looking for answers. I mean, the first answer, my first, response to it was, let's get hair transplants. I tried the Propecia. I tried the hair powders, the topic powders and things like that. Nothing was really working. So when I started searching around, I found Apollo. I would recommend Apollo for a few reasons. Number one, the customer service is incredible. All the staff here is incredibly knowledgeable about what they're offering and what they teach you every aspect of it. I always jokingly tell the staff here, like sometimes I see guys that are losing their hair and I just want to tap on their shoulder and say, hey, there's a solution. It actually works. It's out there. And I've had friends that I've known for years that have no idea that this is in fact a hair system. And making that first step is really challenging, but it's totally worth it. I mean, I remember not being able to enjoy my convertible, not being able to sit at restaurants with the back of my head facing the crowd because I was so afraid of somebody seeing the back of my head. But now that I've made this transition and made the choice to use Apollo, it's really changed my life for the better.